Hi, I'm Dr. Mark Rosenberg, and I'm the Program Director for the Integrative Cancer Fellowship. And I'm going to be talking about a concept that has been brought to the management of cancer by a company called OmicFood. And what we're all trying to do when we treat patients with cancer is trying to target our cancer treatment rather than just using bazookas and killing all kinds of tissue, whether it be cancer tissue or normal tissue. So we're trying to do a better job actually targeting the patient's mutations. And what many of the companies are doing is they're doing DNA sequencing of the cancer and trying to target that cancer by developing drugs that treat those specific mutations. The problem with DNA sequencing is only about 20% of individuals actually benefit from that. And what's more important is to look at the RNA, because if it's expressed in the RNA, then we know that gene's turned on. And so there's a company called OmicFood that is actually sequencing the RNA of individuals' cancers to allow us to see what genes are actually being expressed. And it allows us to target those expressed genes in a much better fashion. And what's exciting about what this company is doing is not only are they improving the ability to target the genes that are being expressed, but they're also now, with their AI platform, they're looking at which foods would actually promote the optimum treatment, meaning they're looking at foods that may actually help inhibit the cancer growth. And again, they're combining their AI platform with RNA sequencing. So I'm very excited to present this in the upcoming spring conference. Thank you very much.